Welcome, guys. Today I have some courses for the conveyor belt. Do you know conveyor belt? Now, let me show conveyor belt here. You know conveyor belt? All right. Today, this is we learn this course today in the workshop on the factory. For sure, this is a conveyor belt. If you see here, this direction of the movement. And if you try to check very well, this is a conveyor belt from each part. This is a belt. This is the frame. It has motor down. Yes, let me check here. They are down. I want to check the motor first. Where is it? Okay, this is one. This one. I saw it there, but okay, this is a motor that helps us to drive the conveyor belt. From it has the coupler pulley, which is connecting the the conveyors. All right, this is the motor, this is the frame, this is conveyor belt. Actually that has the support or legs, and here let me also change the direction of it. All right, this arrow, it shows us the direction of the movement of that conveyor belt. That reason why I'm going to show you the how this conveyor belt can run in forward or in reverse, or when you put the container or the product, it can move from one point to another. This is very important. You have to note and you have to put in your mind. That's the reason why I'm going to show you how can I simulate this stuff. All right, if I learn this, for sure I can show you the direction. You see, now it's running. If it's running now, I can put the container, and then you see the first direction is in the direction like that. I can put the container for sure. For example, I can use this one and I deposit to the conveyor here like that. This is very easy, and everyone, you can deposit your product in the production line for the conveyor, in the conveyor belt, and then you simulate it. You see, this is the movement from one point to another. If there is no system that can receive this product, actually it dropped in the in the factor. That's why we need to know the forward direction, really forward direction of the conveyor belt, so that this is the forward. So let me push immediately and then show you how this container or this conveyor belt can move in reverse. It will change only direction. If you see here like this, and you select it and you duplicate it for the making the copy and the paste, actually you deposit here at a similar location, and this one you change its direction immediately. For example, like this conveyor belt move in a reverse, and this one move in a forward. So if it's move in a reverse, if I run like this, you see, this is my conveyor belt. This is how can I stop. I can stop here, and then you see one move in the forward and other moves in the reverse. It's very simple. You see, today we visit this factory in order to clarify and to explain to you what is the conveyor belt. Conveyor belt is this one, and if you have any issues and concern, write in the comment, and don't forget to make subscribe in this channel of UI Innovation Hub. This is very important to you. If we upload any video, and you will be notified in the first. That, and then you can learn this like this. This is very important to understand the forward and the reverse direction of the conveyor belt, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This is a short video, and then share to other innovators in order to shine and to have big idea in different daily activities. So that, thank you, thank you, thank you. See you next, guys. You can stop first and then you learn once again. This is how the conveyor belt can transport the product in smoothly. Thank you.